Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmer lesson. Today we will learn how to introduce yourself in Khmer. Okay, let's begin. Press 1. Ta nek chmu hawai. Ta nek chmu hawai means what is your name? Repeat after me. Ta nek chmu hawai. One more time. Ta nek chmu hawai. Okay, press 2. Knyum chmu. Knyum chmu means my name is. Example. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ David ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ David means my name is David. Example 2 ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Sarah ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Sarah means my name is Sarah. Okay, repeat after me. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Sarah. One more time. ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Sarah. Okay, press 3. តើអ្នកមកពីណា means where you come from. តើអ្នកមកពីណា Repeat after me. តើអ្នកមកពីណា One more time. តើអ្នកមកពីណា Okay. Press 3. ខ្ញុំមកពីខ្ញុំមកពី means I am from. ខ្ញុំមកពី Example. ខ្ញុំមកពី Australia means I am from Australia. Repeat after me. ខ្ញុំមកពី Australia. One more time. ខ្ញុំមកពី Australia. But Australia in Khmer we say Australia. You can say ខ្ញុំមកពី Australia. Press 5. ខ្ញុំរស់នៅខ្ញុំរស់នៅខ្ញុំរស់នៅ means I live in. Example. ខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញខ្ញុំរស់នៅសៀមរាប means I live in Phnom Penh or I live in Siem Reap. Repeat after me. ខ្ញុំរស់នៅសៀមរាបខ្ញុំរស់នៅសៀមរាបខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញ Repeat after me. ខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញ One more time. ខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញ Yes, great job. Today you learn 5 useful Khmer phrases for introducing yourself. Now you have to try to practicing the press with a friend or by yourself. The more you practice, you better your Khmer will become. Thank you for learning Khmer with me today. Don't forget to follow Khmer lesson for more easy Khmer lesson. See you in next lesson. Goodbye. ជម្រាបលា